In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer and page number at the same time in Word. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, to include a footer on every page of your Word document, all you have to do is go to any page within the document and double-click on the highlighted area. As you can see, you just have to double-click on the end of any page and a footer pop-up should automatically appear. If for some reason you don't see the footer appear, you can also go to the Insert tab at the top of the page and select to insert a footer. After it is properly inserted, to add the page number, all you have to do is go to the top of the page, select Insert again, and select the page number option on the right. Next to the footer option, you will get a drop-down menu in order to set up how you want your page number to look. Select Current Position if you want to appear where your cursor is, and select which page number you want to see. Afterwards, every single page on your document is going to have the page number and the footer automatically applied, and you can edit them afterwards as you see fit. I hope I was able to help you on how to add footer and page number at the same time in Word. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.